So it's like if I don't have direct contractual relationships with someone, but I have some sort of relationships because of some proximity. Yeah, this is what actually gives for me this possibility to sue in negligence or different kind of torts. There are many, as you said. So let's make a couple of examples. Let's say if what would be this proximity of this connection between me and, let's say, you. If we are neighbors, we just living in I live next door to you, and I listen to the music in the middle of the night, which actually causes some inconvenience to you. Would it be tort?
It could potentially be, yes. There could maybe be an action for nuisance. Sorry.
Perfect. If we are talking about employment relationships, and I'm your employer, you're my employee, and I failed to provide you with some safety measures and you injured yourself, would it amount to tort?
Yes, yeah, again, there's general duties that exist there because of the relationship, but there's also statutory duties for employers to employees. Great,
thank you very much. Option number 3, you are a solicitor, as you are, and I came for your legal advice, and you provided me with wrong advice, non-negligent advice. Will give rise to contractual claim or to tortious claim?
Potentially both. This is one that we should all be very aware of, I think.
And it's very good as a litigation and arbitration lawyer can tell to you, we will sue in both, and then we will determine which is better from the point of view of the remedies and damages available. Great. So let me just share the slide and we can move on further with our lecture.